Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Drury Inn and Suites Bowling Green. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Just a 10-minute drive away from National Corvette Museum, this hotel is located off Interstate 65 in Bowling Green, Kentucky and features an indoor pool, complimentary hot breakfast and free evening hot food and beverages. Free Wi-Fi is available. Every room at Drury Inn Bowling Green provides a flat-screen LCD TV with cable channels, a microwave and a small refrigerator, and ironing facilities are included. A fitness center, meeting room and guest computer are available on site. Guests can enjoy free popcorn and soda in the hotel lobby. Valet dry cleaning and laundry facilities are available for guest convenience. Greenwood Mall is less than a mile away from the hotel. Downtown Nashville is an hour's drive away from Bowling Green. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.